that actually was the problem. I didn't have the cord plugged in correctly. But as you can see, I'll move the cord around a minute. All I did was bypass the door switch and it's back to spinning. You can leave the door switch bypass, but I don't recommend it. You'll get a new door switch, maybe 20 bucks at the local appliance parts store or eBay. I can show you how to install one at a later time. That's all that was wrong with this. Was the door switch was bad. I bypassed the door switch and now you see it spinning. Thank you.